Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Clear surface and wash your hands to avoid fingerprints. Make sure the camera area is dry, then gently warm the protector's edge for about 10-15 seconds to soften adhesive. Once warm, use a fingernail or a thin plastic pick to lift a corner. Don't force it. You're creating an initial gap, slow and steady. If you see resistance, pause and reapply gentle heat. Keep the camera aperture visible so you can see the protector's edge as it peels. Once you have a corner lifted, maintain a low-angle peel, around 10-20 degrees, pulling steadily to separate adhesive without snapping. Support the phone on a flat surface so the camera housing doesn't flex. Use one hand to stabilize and the other to peel. For large protectors, apply short strips of tape to the lifted corner and pull the tape to extend the lift evenly. This reduces stress on the glass. Make sure adhesive comes away gradually. If dust collects, use blower, not fingers. Finish by peeling the last section slowly and lay protector aside for safe disposal. Immediately clean the lens area with 70% plus isopropyl on a microfiber cloth using light circular motions to remove residue without streaks. Inspect the camera under bright light and use a blower or soft lens brush for stubborn specks. If a corner remains stuck, reapply low heat for 10-15 seconds and try again. Do not pry with metal tools. Troubleshooting tip: if cracking occurs, stop and remove shards with tape, then clean carefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.